Our first story takes us to the centre of Johannesburg, where Health Workers Union Nehawu says that 5 of its members who work at the Bank of Lisbon building in the Johannesburg CBD that caught fire were suspended earlier for raising safety issues. The building caught fire in the upper floors this morning, resulting in the death of at least one firefighter.
The fireman slipped and fell to his death while battling the flames. Earlier, 3 other firefighters were still trapped in the building which houses the Gauteng Departments of Health and Human Settlements. Nehawu says their members have been raising safety issues about the building for years. The union says the members were suspended for over a year.
It says that management was cautioned several times about safety certificate but was ignored. The building houses the Gauteng Departments of Infrastructure Development as well as Health.
For more on the story, we now joined on the line by Johannesburg Emergency Services spokesperson Robert Mulaudzi. Mulaudzi, good afternoon to you. Thank you so much for coming through. Let us just get an update first. Has the fire been contained, and also an update on the 3 firefighters who were trapped in the building earlier?
Yes, we can confirm that the fire has been contained now, and we managed to rescue the other 5 firefighters who were trapped. And we still continue to search for the other, to see whether we can find any other outstanding people who might be trapped, and also firefighters who might still be trapped inside the building.
Yeah, I wanted to come to that point, Robert, because earlier your department had actually indicated that they were still busy with a head count as to ensure if everyone has been evacuated. So at this moment, you're not sure if all the employees have been evacuated from the building?
Yes. At this stage, we can't. Yeah, we are not sure as to whether everybody is counted for. So hence, we are conducting a search just to make sure that everybody is accounted for. Then we can be able to confirm as to how many people were inside the building and how many were rescued and how many lost their lives inside the building.
But quite an unfortunate.
But at this stage, we can confirm for one of our firefighters who lost his life earlier on this morning.
Yeah, are you able to talk to us about what happened with one of your firefighters? Yeah,
the information you got was that he actually slept on the ledge of the 23rd floor of this building, and then he fell down from the building. And unfortunately, he was confirmed dead on scene after our resuscitation efforts were unsuccessful.
Yeah, and we're reporting that the fire is said to have started on the 23rd floor of the building. We know that, of course, preliminary investigations are underway, but are you able to elaborate further, Robert, because we're reporting that apparently some Nehawu members working in that building have been raising the issue of safety for quite some time now?
Yeah, from our side, I think that will remain the subject of investigation in terms of the safety of the building. That will be done after we have rescued everybody and after we have extinguished the fire. Then our fire investigating team, together with all relevant stakeholders in the city and in the province, will conduct further investigations regarding those allegations of the safety of the building and so on.
Yeah, so the fire has been contained, as you say, but what's the situation like, seeing that some of your emergency workers are still trapped?
Yes, right now there might be some of our colleagues inside, of which we have to confirm to see whether everybody is accounted for, and then we can actually be able to give a further update on the development about this incident.
All right, I suppose we'll leave it at that. Many thanks to Johannesburg Emergency Services spokesperson Robert Mulaudzi for an update on the blaze that engulfed the top of a building housing the offices of the Gauteng Health and Human Settlements in downtown Johannesburg this morning.
Now,